Hello, Nash. I hope you're well. My name is Charles, and I came upon your website because I was in our group, the Kenyan community in Pennsylvania on Facebook, and I posted asking for a remodeler because I have some remodeling work in Lancaster that I was looking for a remodeler, but Mr. Mumu gave me a website, and I stumbled upon it, and now I was thinking, okay, after taking a look at it, I know you don't serve Lancaster. But I might as well, give you a few recommendations. I mean, we're countrymen, and I would like you to succeed. So I just thought I would give you a few recommendations what you can do to your website to help you get more and more clients. This is what I do for a living. I am a digital marketer. I build websites. I do SEO. I do Google ads and Facebook ads, etc. Anyway, a few free recommendations for you I wanted to give. There are three of them, and they have to do with content, citations, and backlinks. The first one is content. Content is everything that's on your front page, everything that you can see that I've highlighted here in blue. All the words, all the images, even the text behind the images. For example, if I try to save an image, like maybe your logo, save image as, you can see it's saved as a random letters and numbers. So to optimize with Google, so it knows you're relevant and puts you in front of your customers, it's advisable to have 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, and text that's saturated with keywords. And I'm going to get into keywords in a few minutes. But by authoritative, I mean text that shows who you are, exactly what you do, the locations you serve, and writing about them, the exact services you give, etc. Now, within all of that text on your front page, the 1,000 to 1,500 words, it's important to include keywords. Keywords are those phrases that people search in Google, type into Google to look for your services. Example: if I was on Google and I wanted to look for, let's say, a plumber, I'll type something like plumbers Lancaster, PA. That is a keyword. And including that on your site tells Google that you should be put in front. You're relevant to this search, so they should bring you up here. Okay, so that is content. Content has everything to do with words and text, images on all your pages. It's advisable to have 1,000 to 1,500 on your front page. Your back pages, it could be anything from 500 to 750, but make sure you include those keywords which are important for Google to bring you up front of the results. Now, why Google? Before I move on to the second thing, I just wanted to mention, on Google, we know these days everyone uses Google. About 90% of adults use Google to search for services just like yours, local services, local to an area. 70% of those do not leave the first page, this front page. So if you're on the front page for certain searches, you'll be getting a lot more traffic and people will find you naturally. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations has to do with this area here. It's called the map pack. Now, a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and business phone number, business name, business address, business phone number are cited in different directories online. So, for example, Better Business Bureau, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, superpages.com, Dexnos, etc. The more better directories you're in, the higher and higher you're going to come rank in this area and come up to the first. For example, here in the map pack, if we click on more businesses, you'll see many more businesses, but they only show the top 3 on the front page. And you can see they vary in the number of reviews. For example, this guy has 1,500, but he's all the way down here. Him here has 63, and he's much higher. In fact, he's the third on the map pack. So to rank higher and higher in there has to do with citations. So if I was you, I would go to different directories online. It's tedious and takes a long time, but it's worth it because once you're beating your competitor, you'll be here on the front page relatively fast, quickly. And then the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, or backlinks. Backlinks have to do with this section called the organic listing section over here. And we're going to take these guys as an example. These are your good competitors in Lancaster. Now, I know you don't only do plumbing, but for this search, these are your competitors. So let's go back to backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are any where another website links to yours. So if you can imagine, if there's a strong plumbing conference for plumbers, and they have a blog up there, and they have a link on the blog that links to your website, that's a good backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because if it's a McDonald's that's linking to your site, that's not the same. Google sees this and can tell which is a good one, which is spammy, and starts to put you lower. If the more spammy backlinks you have, the lower you'll be. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and I want you to use your competitor. Let me use the guy who's just above. This is your competitor, Trust Joe the Plumber, and I'll put him into my tool, Ahrefs. This tool analyzes websites, so I can come here and see, okay, he's got 748 backlinks from 40 domains. And then I can come in here and then find out which backlinks exactly he has, and make sure that you have the same. Well, at least the ones that are of good quality. Not only that, if I was doing your SEO, and whoever's doing your website SEO, give them this information, because if they can go and look at your competitors for different keywords, and then come in and look at the backlinks, you can be able to start to catch up with your competitors. But not only that, you want to beat them by maybe 100 or 100 or 200 backlinks, so that you stay at the top of these searches in Google's eyes. Just to give you an idea of the number of people who are looking for your services. So for this one keyword, plumbers in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, if I put it here into my tool, I can see that there are 300 people looking for that every month. And that's a pretty, if you could grab a few of these per month, that would count a lot. I'm very sure. I took the liberty of just doing a bit more research to see which other keywords are out there, just to show you the traffic. Now, if you have this one keyword, about 100 people look for that every month. Lancaster plumbing and heating, 450 people look for that every month. HVAC Lancaster, PA, 250 people look for that every month. Plumber Lancaster, 100 people look for that every month. So you can start to do some good keywords research, so that the areas that you service, you find out what people are searching for when they're looking for your services. Then you optimize by including that on your site. So with those three things, content, citations, and backlinks, I'm pretty sure you're going to start getting more and more clients. Like I said, this is just free recommendations I'm giving you. If you'd like to work together, please, you can get in touch with me. Just reply to my email, or yes, I'm going to send you an email and send you a text message as well. If not, no harm, no foul. It's okay. Take these recommendations, give them to your website person, and start getting organic people coming to you instead of paying for leads. I don't know if you pay for Angie's leads. You know how much of a headache they are, and Yelp, etc. So you can start. There's potential for you to actually get leads without paying for any of those services. Thank you very much. And once again, I'm Charles. Have a great day.